Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTIC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, so I'm going to get rid of that line right there. But the first big update that comes into play is just based on a foundational rule in charting, and that it states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see the MACD as support. And that is exactly what played out here. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook if you were putting something together. But for those of you that watched the previous videos, talked about that 268-ish area as that level of resistance. But then when the price broke above it this morning, at that point is where you would expect it to act as support. I mean, check this out. A thing of beauty. Price pulled back here, found support literally right at that line, and then back up it went. So a classic example there of resistance turning into a support. And that's going to be the ideal level, meaning if you're going to ask Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly if the price can stay above that level. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line right there, the 50 period at simple moving average, so keyword being moving, meaning that line's going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. So as long as the price stays up above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, certainly staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of levels of resistance, nothing fancy here at all. Party stop earlier on in the day, right up around $3.20. So 320 will be public enemy number one headed into next week. But all in all, the uptrend continues. Very, very impressive movement today. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.